Thursday, 10th of April, 8:58 UK time. We are currently on the BTCUSDT, just having a look at what's been going on. Just want to do a complete overview of where we are with Bitcoin. So we'll start on the weekly. I'm going to remove my drawings for a second. Okay, hide all. So looking at the chart, we are currently on the weekly chart and we have multiple red candles on the weekly. It looks to me that things could be having a possible turnaround. I don't know. I see these long wicks to the upside on these red candles, weeklies. They are usually some telltale signs that there could be a reversal. There's some force happening here pushing price up, but how long it carries on for, we don't know. The RSI is currently reading 42. Although you can't see it, okay, I have. Let's just put a new RSI up. Okay, so currently reading 43. There is more room for downside. So yeah, that's where we are. We seem to be coming to an area. This purple area is an area of support, of known support and resistance, and we have just touched it here. We have this falling wedge drawn out because if we look on the day chart, so if I move over to the day, we have this pattern forming. So we have multiple touches on the top, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, little fake out, 4 here, 5 again. So there's multiple touches showing that this is a falling wedge forming. So if I just kind of bring it to, so that is a bullish idea that things could be moving to the upside. Also, you could see that the price action is also having a divergence moment, which is another sign of bullish move to the upside, which is actually happening today. So price action sloping down, RSI sloping up, momentum. Plus we're sat up around a support level, and we just hit the bottom yesterday of the falling wedge. So that was 3 ideas to get into a trade on the bullish side, and today we've had a nice pump. So if we go to the 1 hour, we'll see what's happening today. We did do a couple of trades the last couple of days on the smaller time frame. So we had one that was here, we entered in here doing a long for the upside. The stop loss was about here, and yeah, that was successful. I entered it, I took my profits early before it was supposed to come up to about this area before we collected, but I just took it early because I could see that was enough gained. So I took it. It was about 1.5 of the account, and so I took that, and yeah, that's where we are currently. We've on a smaller time frame, 1 hour. If we go to the 15-minute, we can also see there is another falling wedge forming. I don't know if it will be this type of run up if it breaks out. I don't think so. The measured move would be the opening of the falling wedge, taking it, placing it at the breakout point, imagining 70% into the pattern. Let's say we have the breakout, but I'll be kind of more expecting a double top, just due to this massive run up, a double top before some proper corrections. So realistically, I'll be taking profits even at 50%. Just showing, like if I just show you how I'll do that, it would look something like this. Breakout, stop loss set inside the pattern, because if it breaks back into if it doesn't breaks across this trend line to the downside, then the idea's failed. So let's just say we'll buy in at breakout roughly and take in profits at, yeah, say 60%, something like that. So it would kind of look like that. The trade would look like this, but breaks out, retest maybe, or just buy on breakout. That's another idea. But realistically a retest will be nice of some sort before the higher move, just to make sure it's not a fake out or something like that. So that's a possible trade that we could be looking to get into on a shorter time frame. So anyway, that's my analysis of Bitcoin today. I think, to be honest, if we quickly jump back to the day chart and look at the bigger picture, we are looking at the play out of this falling wedge, which could be all into June, July. Look, if it's really respecting these trend lines, it could be going on for a while, which will make sense for cool off period for all this massive breakout all-time highs we've had, where it could just be playing and sitting within this pattern for a while, for the next couple months, even just chopping around here. And I think, yeah, it might be a bit of a slow period for Bitcoin movement. It might be sideways movement for a bit, and that'll be, you know, a good time to look at some altcoins. Anyway, that's my analysis for today. Hope to see you in the next video.